In this tutorial, we will use Quick Pallet Maker to calculate the dimensions of a flat box, a flat carton for a box, and then ship a pack of these cartons onto pallets. The first step is to run Quick Pallet Maker. Next, we will calculate the primary package with the default dimensions and the default pallet. Here we look for efficient size of box that produces a good pallet layout. And we settle for this one, this last one that has a 91% area efficiency and a 90% volume efficiency. Choose Tools, Windows, Detailed Report, and we're able to see a summary plus a drawing of how the flat carton would be configured. So we write down the dimensions, 850 by 578 millimeters. And the thickness was what we had before, 635 divided by 2. Which is roughly 3.1, 3.2 millimeters. Those are the dimensions that we're going to use right now. The package will be, the carton itself will still be rectangular, but it will be measuring 850 by 578 and 3.2 millimeters thick. Okay, the weight is roughly 0.3 kilograms, and the case count will be 50 because we'll have bundles of 50. Now we have to expand the constraints to make a long box that is also wide and maybe tall if we were to place it upwards. The relations between the dimensions, we also make them as big as possible. This time is 10 times the other dimension. And we try calculating them right now. See this here? Let's make this bigger. 1.5 meters high. Tools, we calculate. And we see we made a mistake here. We go back. And now we check stretch wrap, and we can make it bigger bundles of 100. Now we calculate again, tools, recalculate. And we get good pallet layouts. Let's look for a bundle that is easier to use, like this one. And that would be this type of pallet. We have 800 packages or 800 cartons per pallet. And that's what we can ship.